Hello everyone, my name is Santosh. I'm founder at ThinkSharp Foundation. ThinkSharp Foundation is a non-profit organization started in 2011 with the vision transforming tribal and rural government schools education. So, what is the problem and its impact? So, we have a problem of the poor modern education infrastructure in rural government schools, and which leads to poor student enrollment, poor learning outcomes, low attendance, and low motivation and interest in education. And this is we have observed from our internal survey, as well as there are reports from World Bank and few other agencies. You can see in right hand side there is a classroom, and you can see the what condition of the classroom is having. And then what is the solution we are offering to this problem? So our solution is Project Study Mall, which is the concept from the shopping mall, which we want to offer all educational infrastructure, modern education infrastructure under one roof, which includes the modular library or a classroom library, a digital classroom, a solar power, the computer education program, and the more important is the community engagement, so that our project will be sustainable in the long term. If you look at the before and after school, so before study mall, you can look at the left hand side, the classroom, and after study mall, the classroom is with the full of modern education facilities, including digital learning tools, library, the colorful classroom. It is a well clean and hygiene, before and after. If you look at the from outside the school, you can see before how the school was and after how the school is decorated, including the the color, the grass, and everything, which is more presentable and more interesting for the students. So what our current reach, if I talk about, more than 9,000 students are benefited through our study mall program from 51 schools in 49 villages that spread across 13 districts. Year on year, we have grown from 2015-16 from just 3 study mall to 19-20, we reached to 51 study malls across the 49 villages. If I talk about the impact of our program, so the major impact is the student enrollment in the school. So if I look at the 60% of our school has shown that there is a growth in enrollment, where 33% are stable and only 7% are declined due to various other reasons. If I talk about the more impact, especially from the learning outcome, so if I look at the interest in education, 92% teacher says that the interest has been increased of the students to attend the school because of the digital classroom, library, and other infrastructure provided. Even because of the digital learning, students understand the concept much better, and that you can see the 100% teachers has shown the positive response. Yes, students are able to understand the concept much better way. Even similarly, the reading, the number of books they are reading, 3 to 4 books they are reading per week, and the reading habit also increase. If I talk about our model, so first we assess the school, then we community set up the basic infrastructure, then we set up the study mall, and then the monitoring, maintenance, and community engagement takes place. So if I talk about what is the unique proposition, so our model is different from other non-profits so far in Maharashtra. No other organization in Maharashtra working on the similar model. We work to overall improvement of the schools, including infrastructure and creating positive learning environment in the village. So if I talk about the funding in past, so in last 2 financial years, we have raised more than 40 lakhs rupees, and that's major comes from the CSR funding, the companies like ONGC, Tata, Google, Endurance, Foams and Surfaces. So what our target we have? So target 1 is the new study mall centers, which we are targeting to set up in 100 rural government schools, and funding is required 1.5 crore over the period of 3 years. And target 2, which is the immediate for next upcoming year, is to set up the Computer Mitra program, which is the computer education program in 15 schools, and for that our budget is approximately 9 lakhs rupees. So the people behind the ThinkSharp Foundation, myself as a founder, started with the giving back to society approach with the background from B Computer Engineering and the MBA, and more than 10 plus years work experience in the financial sector. We have another full-time program manager, Mr. Amit Kutwal from the TIS Tuljapur, and there are bunch of volunteers and the part-time employees who are working with us as and when required. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much for your patience and listening to me. Thank you very much.